This is not a popular haircut. I know you're probably saying, Salon Guy, you have 6,000 videos of this TikToker hairstyle kit. What do you mean it's not popular? It's not popular with parents, I've noticed. I keep seeing a lot of parents buying the TikToker hairstyle kit, which I do sell on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. It has the brush, the tidal wave, the hairspray. I notice a lot of parents are supporting this, but there's also a lot of people who do not support their child having this type of haircut because they feel it's too in the face, right? It's hanging down all the time, it's too messy. And I've done a video similar to this, a month or two ago, but I've noticed that this is not a super popular haircut with parents. So if you do want to have this haircut, if you're a teenager or you're someone who wants to have this haircut and your parents or whoever you live with at home and they're saying, no way, it's a mess, I'm taking you to the barbershop, we're gonna get your head shaved completely like the salon guys. Don't let them do that. Use a little bit of a tactic, persuasion, right? What you need to do is say, hey, look, all right, how about we compromise? Because this hairstyle makes me feel really good about myself. I feel more confident. I feel happier having this haircut. Yes, I feel maybe it's a little too long, but how about we compromise and meet in the middle where I'll still get a haircut. Maybe it won't be as long, all right? But I'll still get a haircut, but not as short as you want it because that's gonna completely destroy and ruin the hairstyle that I'm looking for. So maybe if you explain that to them, because as parents, we all wanna feel like our children or your children, whoever, are listening to you and that you're taking their advice and, following their quote unquote rules. But at the same time, you are individuals that deserve to be happy. So maybe come up with a compromise. So, okay, normally the hairstyle for this, the hair length needs to be down here. Okay, I'll cut it up to the eyebrows, which makes it still a bit shorter. And then say, for example, then it brings up the hair to about here. And you can explain to them, this hairstyle needs to be a little bit longer. The best way to trick them, honestly, I hate to say this, but get the sides shorter. Anytime you get the sides and the back shorter, all they see is, oh, it looks so neat and so clean. Every time you leave this a bit longer like this, it just makes the hair look a lot more grown out. So my biggest advice is maybe trim a lot less right here, and you have to tell the barber or the stylist what's going on. Just say, look, my parents want to get it shorter. I don't want it as short. We have to cut a little bit up the front, but maybe cut the sides and the back a little bit shorter. Make sure it's all blended in. Anytime you cut the back and the side shorter, it does make the hair look a lot cleaner, or the haircut. Try that. And if you're a parent, don't be upset with me. I'm one too. But, however, children and kids really want to feel and look good, and hair is a big part of it. So please, it could be a lot worse. All right, they want a certain hairstyle. It's not the end of the world. All right, try to support them as best you can. I understand what you're saying, and maybe if you're a parent watching this, you can explain to them, say, look, I want you to have this hairstyle. Please, let's just trim it. And I've seen kids, they just absolutely do not want to even go near a salon, near a barbershop. The hair gets in their nose, on their nose. It looks like a complete mop on their head, a dead animal. I understand. And you don't want to force them, okay? Again, they're walking around feeling cool. They feel good about themselves. They think their hairstyle is awesome. In this day and age, the last thing you want to do is make somebody, a child especially, your own child, feel insecure about themselves, not like or resent you in any way for not letting them be themselves. Trust me, okay? That's my advice. So please let me know if you are watching this. Maybe you don't have to be a teenager. You could be in your 20s, 30s. You want this haircut. You have full control. But if you are somebody who watches this and have had some experiences in the past where you've had some challenges, let me know. Try this tactic. See if it works. I'd love to know. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.